Yo, first order of the day. We've got a McDonald's. This one is $7 going 3 miles. Thank you. You too. Hello. Nice. That order took me 9 minutes from start to finish. Not a bad start. Finally got the next order. This is going to be on Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this is a McDonald's going about 4 miles.
Hey, welcome to McDonald's. You gonna be? Good morning. I'll be right with you.
Hey, I like your shirt. It looks really nice.
Well, thank you. Appreciate
Can I
that.
just have you confirm the order for me, please? Before I hand it over. Alright, perfect. You have a good one, okay?
You as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hand it to me. Oh my goodness. So this is an apartment complex, and they didn't give me an apartment number. So what are we doing here, buddy? Yep. There you are.
Have a good one.
You as well. No tip, $4 and change. Amazing. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This is $7 going 4 miles. Oh, and they just gave me an add-on. This is, what is this? Don Pedro, $8 going an additional 4 miles. So what is that? 15 going 8, roughly. Kind of a good thing that they gave me an add-on and had me pick that one up first, because I've got a feeling the McDonald's is not going to be ready.
Hey, welcome to McDonald's. You gonna be using the mobile app today?
For Micah.
Thank you.
You going?
You too. Looks like this first order is like a minute away, but it does have a pin on it, so still kind of annoying. This is another apartment complex, and they didn't give me an apartment number. What is going on? Oh, there you are. I didn't see you there. I just need a pin from you. Okay, I couldn't tell if he was standing there behind that truck the whole time or if he just came out when I got out of my car, but we got it. And the next one is another meet at door. Oh, okay, never mind. They said I can just leave it at the door. Perfect. Wow, that is beautiful art or something. Going back to McDonald's. This one is not amazing, but we're just trying to keep busy. This one's $8 going 6 miles. Also, this is like the 3rd time I've been to this location, and I still don't think the lobby's open yet. So it's been pretty much back to back to back.
Hey, welcome to McDonald's. Welcome to McDonald's. I'll be right with you.
I just had a pickup order.
Awesome. I'll see you at the window.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Lame. I was trying to be quick with it because I wanted to beat this other car that was on the other lane of the drive-thru, but not quick enough. Now we are at least 4th in line, maybe 5th. I can't really tell.
To pick up?
Yeah.
Perfect. There is a drink in there, so be careful not to tip it too much.
Thank you. Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is $6 going 3 miles. Thank you. Next up, we've got Angels. This one is going just under 5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
classic no tip. Total for that was $4. Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is $10, going 4.5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next up, we've got an Angel's going 3 miles. Total for that order was $6. Oh, they tried to pull a quick one on me. They tried to give me another Angel's. This one was going 15 miles. Not today, not today. Did get the next order though. This is McDonald's, $7 going 2 miles. $99C. Oh no, I declined another order, so my dash ended. Luckily, it is busy enough so that I can switch to earn by offer instead. What is this? Ooh, what? Oh. Apparently you can pause orders from specific stores, even though they are paying like trash. Actually a decent update. You get half a clap. You don't deserve the full clap, sorry. I'm just not fully adjusted to this heat yet. Came out of nowhere. Luckily it's only a couple days, but I'm gonna go home. Current time is 8:53. Current total, we are at 42, and I'm waiting on a bunch of Uber tips. I actually don't know how much it's gonna be, but I'll throw up the total whenever it comes in. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.